Hello guys and welcome back to Coding for Beginners. In today's video we're gonna hover onto the Unity gaming and we're gonna develop rather than from the template itself of the Unity. So if you're new in the channel, please consider subscribing to it as it will notify you for my next new videos. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Currently we are on the homepage of Unity where you can see the lot of options not only on the gaming but it's world's leading platform for real-time content creation. Unity is for all the industries, right from games, architecture, automotive, and the film. It's not only limited to the game, but we can create architecture, automotive, and the film. It's royalty free, you can keep everything that we earn. 20 plus different platforms, and it's trusted by 1.5 billion of the people. And right now, we're gonna hover onto the latest from the Unity. You can say the next thing we're gonna hover on the products, under which we can see Unity Pro, Industry Collection, Enterprise Ads, where you can have the monetization. We have Reflect as well. We have solutions under games, digital twins, film, animation, and cinematics, and all the stuff which is required for solutions. The next steps is of a learning where you can learn all the stuff over on the Unity, like how to make the game and how you can start your learning with the Unity. With the more, you can see support and services, community, and developer tools. On the developer tools, you could see the option of download and releases, where you can see download Unity Hub and see the releases. Currently we are using for download, so we're going to download for Windows other than hover into the other versions. As you can see, the download is being started. That the setup.exe file is been downloaded at upright. We can create by download the Unity Hub, choose your Unity version and start your projects. There are some of the already existing projects where we can go and make the template out of it. Today's video is only about that. If you're curious about how you can start about learning Unity, I have already created one video of the basic understanding of Unity and have created one car racing game in just 10 minutes. We have to make as a license agreement agree. Next we have to choose install location and click install. After that, the installing of Unity Hub will be initiated. After that, you can complete Unity Hub setup by clicking on the finish and run the Unity Hub. It will run the Unity exe file, that is application of Unity, onto your desktop. As you can see, we have login option. We can choose Google, Facebook, and all other options. Or you can also create a Unity login. As I've already logged in into Unity, I would use my Google account. So you can see install Unity editor on 2021. I have already been practiced on it. We have to agree and get personal edition license, or we can choose another plans. As we are currently editing on the only free, so we'll skip the activation. And you can see that 2021 setup has been started to install. If you click on the arrow, you can see which version is downloading, how much percent is completed, and the documentation is being queued. Over here you can see projects, installs, learn, and community. Over which project is where a project located, learn is about a feature, recommended, and downloaded. These are for learning purpose of Unity. You can learn the game, you can learn about the architecture, you can learn about the film. We have community where you can see blog, your doubts, all the things. In the install option, you can see the license is not been active, so we can add the license, we can have the serial number, license request, or get personal free license. But the personal edition license has been time frame like of 1 month to the 2 months of an activation. That means we currently you can see that May 30 is an activation and September 20 is in the expiration date. So mostly 1.5 year is been license is allocated as a free, where we can return license. That means we return it and then on to the another machine. So just click on the return license and we'll just cancel it as we have already created the license. So how to add license, where we can click add, then we can search for get a free personal edition license, agree and get personal edition license. That will have the pre-activated, where you can see the timing and the start and the expiration date of the license. Over next we can learn, installs, we can install editor. The editor is currently processed 2021. If you want the previous installation, you can have that, or the new version is 2022, you can also have that according to your choice and according to your learning material. On the developer dashboard, you could see all the developer requirement, right from the learning the developers and learning the dashboard of the Unity and get familiar with acquaintance of the Unity as well. And you could see all the blogs, all the queries, and all the learning materials which are helpful for you in the journey of developing a game. You could see dashboard, you could see projects, you could see explore services. Under project you can see all the organizer settings, which are project you have already created, and which if you want to create, you can create project. Under it says explore service, where we can go and explore services. Next is analytics. It's a data explore and analytics job where we can analyze our project. We have DevOps, live ops, growth, monetization, where we can count our money, count our ads money, how much more has been growth has been modified, and the report as well. So growth and monetization are the same per se. Next is multiplayer. We can create the multiplayer project onto the game. So currently it's under development. We can manage license, account, and sign out option. So as you can see, 2021 has been done a download. You can create new project by clicking the blue icon of a new project. That will hover us with a new project we create. If we could click on the create project, and you can see all the templates. That's what we're doing today. We are just importing on the template rather than the screen who's catch. We're gonna use a Lego micro game and download the template. Right after that, we verify our age to continue and got it. We have to enter our age to get the license. You must be 18 plus years, around 15 to 18 of years to access this Unity game. So as you can see, we have to click on agree and continue. It will download the start. So after downloading this template, so just wait for download this template. So we'll just skip at the end where the download is completed. We have to allow access, and that project is been initialized under a dashboard of the Unity itself. Now let's skip to the part where we have been downloaded. So as you can see, we have been got the template of a Lego micro game, and you can scroll into different parts in 3D view of the Unity game. So this Lego game has some kind of applications for. So over here you can manage your dimensions of a Lego. So here is your first hero. You can hover to the scenes. So after clicking on this triangle, that means start button, the game will be initialized. That means it will be in the live process. We have to hold for a couple of minutes and we can start playing game. So this game has been recorded from the template. It's very easy to use and you can create from here itself. So any modification further you can make in this game by having some other components or other mans or any other application you can add in this game. Now let's focus on another aspect of this dashboard. On the right hand side you can see add platform, activate the elevator, change the wind conditions, and all the applications that you can add in this game. You can add your enemy, you can add your buildings, you can add your Legos. So this is what kind of template which Unity has been already provided. We just have to make sure that we have kind of right application. We should understand the learnings of the Unity so as to get familiar with the Unity itself. We are now closing the tabs to get more free space to see our game very clearly. So as you can see, we have wide space where we can see our game. We can see the man in the action. Where if we click start button, it will initialize where we can play our game. So we'll just take a minute to play this game. So the motivation of this video was to make you familiar with the Unity templates, Unity projects, how to get a free license, and make sure you have been downloaded all the correct project and you're running your game. I hope this video was helpful for you. If please like this video and please feel free to check out my first part of this Unity game where I have created car racing game. I have given a link in the description below. I hope this video was helpful for you. If please like this video and if you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing to it as it will notify you for my next videos. We'll meet on the next Tuesday. Until then, keep coding, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.